Hi everyone, this is Rhoda, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a great practice that you can do to build intimacy, pleasure, communication, and trust with your partner. I really love this practice because I just think it's so effortless. It's something that will just reconnect you. Like if you're feeling maybe you're not seeing eye to eye, maybe you're struggling a little bit and having some challenges, it's just a great one to do, to just sit together and breathe. It's also pretty amazing to do before lovemaking. It'll just help make that connection really strong before going into it. And you don't have to, you don't have to have sex like before or after this. It's just another way that you can use this practice.
All right, to start this couple sequence, you're going to sit back to back, spine to spine on the floor with your partner. And I'm here with my husband, who's making his debut on my YouTube channel. Woohoo! Just breathing here, connecting to yourself and to your partner, really feeling them against your back and starting to make that connection together. And then very slowly hooking your arms, and you're naturally going to feel that stretch in the chest. So you want to help enhance that stretch by tilting your chin up toward the sky, opening your chest, feeling that stretch. And here both you and your partner can start to synchronize your breathing. So that means inhaling together very slowly, and then exhaling together very slowly, just really establishing that deep connection together. And I do want to say that I don't really intend, if you try this, for you to go through these so quickly. You probably want to leave half an hour to do this. I'm just kind of rolling through them to show you the moves here so you'll know what to do. And at this point, you can start swaying a little bit back and forth, deepening that connection together even more. Again, trying to stay connected to your breath. If you lose the sync here with your inhale and exhale, that's okay too. Just allowing whatever's there to be there. And then very slowly, you're going to want one partner to start leaning forward as far as they can, and so that the other partner can start moving back and laying back against them. Just further deepening that stretch. And just keep breathing and staying connected. And then you're going to switch, and the other partner is going to come up, and the other partner will go down. And don't worry if you cannot follow all this. I also have the steps below this video written out, so you can go back and just, if you want to read them and go through them, that might be helpful. And then from here, you're just going to come back up into that seated position again. And just breathe here again, just reconnecting to each other. Trying to come back to a synchronized breath if your breath is not synced up already. And then to end this sequence, finally, you're going to get into a Yab Yom position. And one partner is going to climb and straddle the other partner from the front with legs wrapped around them. And you can literally be in this position for a half an hour or an hour. Honestly, it feels really good. I hope you enjoyed this sequence.
All right, I really hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit about that practice, and I hope that you can use it with your partner, and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.